Hello, my name is Chris Palmer, and in today's Black Hat SEO video, I would like to discuss a method, a technique, a way that you could potentially find offers before they launch, a way to get free, high-quality content, or check in on your competitors and see what products they're about to launch or see what they're testing so you can utilize it yourself before they do. Now, when utilizing Black Hat SEO, it's great for local, it's great for affiliate, e-commerce. It could be utilized for anything before it's launched by your competition. Now, a lot of individuals are running scripts. A lot of people might have a bot or whatever you want to call it to check their competition's pages. So this video, I'm going to walk you through, I'm going to showcase and show a method. Now, obviously, I cannot show you any scripts because this is simply just for educational purposes. I want you to be able to safeguard yourself. However, I will relay the information. Now, if you think that finding products before they launch is a good opportunity, or seeing new products, or seeing a page layout, or finding free content that's high quality and getting it before your competition launches it, if that's right up your alley, that's what I'm going to showcase today. Now, again, I'm not going to show any sites. I'm not going to put this into practice, but I will show you a manual way to do this. But before I do that, what I'm talking about is something that's called a dev site. And you can run scripts on your leading 50 competitors, and you will come to find out that some of them with their teams might not be doing things to code. Now, let me just go over quickly exactly what I'm talking about. So I'm going to read the snippet here. A development site, or a dev site for short, is a place on your server where the entirety of your site is copied and replicated for development and testing. Technically speaking, it means that we log in via FTP to your host, but not all the time, and we create a subdomain in your root folder and completely copy the site over. If you have your leading 50 competitors, you're doing a simple search, you can do it manually, or maybe you're in multiple niches, you can have a script built. You're checking your competitors, 50 or 100 of them, just to see, are they checking conversions? What's their content? You can get it, maybe utilize it. You can see if they're about to launch a new product and they're checking their page. I mean, there's a lot of ways that you can utilize this. Manually is how I'm going to show you today. All right, and this is for educational purposes only, so I don't know any of these sites. I'm just showing you. Let's just do a random search. I don't know, laptops. All right. We'll scroll on down. Now, generally, whenever a site is in staging or test or development stages, you'll come to find out that there's usually some elements that are going to be the same. All right. You might be able to find some sidebar text, or maybe you'll find some footer text that's going to be the same. So that's what we're looking for, that's duplicated over. So what you're looking for is something on the page. It could be in the footer, it could be in a sidebar, but these pieces are generally duplicated over the site. Now, a lot of times when there's a lot of team members or there's somebody working on a project, they don't always follow procedure step by step. So you can find these particular sites and utilize the information that you're able to discover. And a way that you can safeguard yourself, make sure your teams are blocking stages or test pages, development pages, whatever the case is. We'll go to BJ's. Now I'm going to show you a manual method. So this would be something that is probably duplicated across the page. So what we would do is we would just go ahead and grab this, copy, head right back over here. We're going to open up a text so I can just showcase it. It'll make it a lot easier. You're going to go ahead and put it in quotation marks, what is here. All right. Now we're going to need the URL. So let me just go ahead and put that in here. All right. So it's www.bjs.com. All right. So we'll put that in quotation marks, space minus in URL, colon, www.bjs.com. Now, if perhaps maybe the website is not www, you could put the just https : // and then bjs.com, whatever is already indexed, because you're looking for this particular string of text on a page that's duplicated, but minus what we already know is there. So anything that's already in the forward-facing index. So in this case, it was in URL www.bjs.com. So we want to go ahead and just take this string, copy it, and we're going to put it into the search. If the development team or whoever's staging has missed a step, this will actually show up for us. It will be indexed. So in this case, for instance, it does not look like BJ's has dropped the ball in any way. So let me just take that space out of there. It looks like we'll do a Control F. Nope. All right, let's do dev. Nope. All right, now let's do test. All right, so it does not look like BJ's has dropped the ball in any way. So I hope that this has been helpful. I hope that you have enjoyed the video. My name is Chris Palmer. Now, if you have any questions about SEO, local SEO, anything search engine optimization, black hat, gray hat, white hat, affiliate, e-commerce, digital marketing, internet marketing, Facebook ads, really anything at all, always feel free to ask in the comments below, and I look forward to seeing you in the next Black Hat SEO for 2020 video. Have a wonderful day.